The Grand Rapids Public Museum believes below freezing temperatures caused a pipe to burst this morning, causing some damage to parts of exhibits. The museum says it was able to quickly stop the large amount of water that flowed into part of the Galleria. We're told parts of the Streets of Old Grand Rapids exhibit, including the grocery store and streetcar, were impacted. A small number of artifacts did have some water damage, but none beyond repair. The museum is now working to fix the items that saw damage.
And for most objects, sometimes we think of, old antiques, museum artifacts as being inherently fragile, but some of these are, buckets and crates and things like that. And, once they get a chance to dry out, they'll be just fine.
The museum does tell us there are some items that will require more conservation, including paper and clothing items, but workers are trying to salvage as much as possible.